If you are planning to use a ChatGPT API to automate your customer support and wondering how much does it cost, then watch this video till the end. So before that, let's look at the benefits of automating your customer service using ChatGPT. So the first thing is that cost saving. So automating support reduces the expenses associated with hiring and training additional staff. 24/7 availability. Automated support ensures the round-the-clock assistance for customers. Increased efficiency. AI handles multiple inquiries simultaneously, reducing wait times and improving the response rates. Scalability. Support automation easily scales to handle growing customer demands. Consistency. AI delivers consistent responses and accurate information to all the customers. Quick issue resolution. AI analyzes queries swiftly, providing prompt solutions and answers. Focus on complex inquiry issues. So automation frees up support agents to handle complex customer issues effectively. So these are the benefits of implementing AI customer service for your business using ChatGPT OpenAI API. So let's look at how much does it cost. So this is the cost breakdown. So first of all, it actually costs $49 a month for the Chatting Media platform, and it actually supports all channels. So if you want to learn more about all the features over here, so you can visit this particular website address platform.chattingmedia.com. Here we have explained all the features included over here. So another thing is that you might be wondering how much does it cost to develop or integrate or maintenance these kind of AI customer service chatbots, which is actually $0 if you actually use our platform Chatting Media, because we actually offer a free template for our clients when they actually sign up. So if you want to learn about this free template, you can find it over here. So if you click this particular link, it will actually open another YouTube video which actually explain about this free template and the features of this free AI customer service template. So that is the benefit of using Chatting Media platform to automate your customer support. So you just need to actually add your business information in a particular block over here, and once you actually added this particular kind of business information in your free template, then it actually answers any kind of questions based on the business information you actually provided. So this can be set up in your account in just a few clicks. And another cost breakdown is that using the OpenAI API usage. So that means we actually use GPT 3.5 16K tokens, and let's say if you actually receive 1,000 requests per month from the customers, it actually costs around $35 a month. So the total cost to automate your customer support will be only $83 a month. It actually doesn't include any kind of development or integration or maintenance or update cost. So let's say if you want to change any kind of information related to your chatbot or business information, let's say you are providing any kind of new offers for upcoming events or your promotions, you just need to add that particular kind of information over here, and chatbot will be able to provide those kind of promotions or available discounts for your customers. So that is very easy and straightforward. So let's look at how I came up with this $34 a month. So this is the pricing model of OpenAI. So when it comes to OpenAI, and if you are planning to use it for automating a customer support or customer service, then we recommend our clients to use this ChatGPT 3.5 turbo model, which actually have a very less cost, and also it performs really well. That means it performs very fast as well compared with GPT-4, which actually cost you a little more. So here we actually prefer to use this 16K model, which actually introduced just a few weeks ago. So here we have the input and the output. So input, we actually provide the business information over here. So you might be wondering what these tokens and these kind of things always. So tokens, you can think of tokens as like the sequences of text. So if you want to learn more about tokens, you can visit this particular website address platform.openai.com tokenize. So here if you paste your business information in this particular tool, it will actually provide how much tokens it has and the number of characters. So it is actually different. The tokens and number of characters is completely different. As you see here in this particular text, I have nearly 4000 characters, but the number of tokens here is only 1000. So if I actually add any kind of characters, the token will actually increase. So here I actually add 5 characters, but tokens actually increase only by 3. So that is just an explanation of how does this tokens actually works. So when it comes to tokens, when it comes to pricing, OpenAI actually charge you based on tokens. So let's say if your business information have 10,000 tokens, so in this particular model you can have up to 16k tokens, but the cost here mentioned is per 1k tokens. So let's say our model has like 10,000 tokens. That means you have nearly 10 times the business information over here. That means over 40,000 characters. So this is just an example, but this model actually supports up to 16k tokens. So but I'm taking an example of just 10k tokens as an input. So if you are using 10,000 tokens, then you have to multiply this by 10 because we are using 10. So the cost will be 0.03. So let me 0.03. And when it comes to completions or outputs, so this is, so based on the business information, it will actually generate an output. For the output, it will be like few sentences long based on the business information, because the AI chatbot will actually respond. So if you have any questions regarding how this actually works, or if you want to actually see any kind of demos, what you can do is you can check out our channel, and we have few AI customer service chatbot demo, so you can see how much the length of outputs. So it's actually less than 1k tokens, but for the time being, let's use this particular number, so which is 0.004. so let me add this 0.004 and equals, so this is for just one request, this much cost. So let's say you actually receive 1000 requests per month, then it will cost you around $30. So it's actually less than this particular number because I have assumed the output as 1k tokens, but for the output usually it takes like 200 or 250 tokens to generate 2 to 3 sentences of for you. So the maximum cost will be like around $30 if you actually receive 1000 a message. So if it is like 500 requests, then it will be just $15 or $17 per month. So that is how this is mentioned over here. It's as $34. So the total cost will be $83 a month for you to automate your customer support using chatting media platform, and also if you are receiving 1000 requests per month. So if you are receiving just, let's say you are receiving only 100 requests per month, then the cost will be like $3.4 per month, which is around $50 per month. So which actually saves a tons of cost compared with having an actual human agent responding to customer request. So if you have any questions regarding this, let us know in the comments. Thank you.